To create a wallet on Trust Wallet, start by downloading and installing the Trust Wallet app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a New Wallet. You will be presented with the option to either import an existing wallet or create a new one. Choose Create a New Wallet and proceed to the next step. On the next screen, you will be asked to create a password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you can remember and enter it in the password field. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the Confirm Password field. Click on Create Wallet to proceed. Your wallet will now be created and you will be presented with a recovery phrase. This phrase is used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down the recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet. Once you have written down your recovery phrase, click on Continue. You will now be presented with your wallet dashboard where you can view your account balance and transaction history. You can also use this dashboard to send and receive cryptocurrency and to access other features of the wallet. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your recovery phrase safe. Regularly back up your wallet and keep your app up to date to protect against any potential security threats. By following these steps, you can create a secure and functional wallet on Trust Wallet.